What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we have a 2-minute skipping tutorial. Now you know the drill, okay? Might go a little bit over it, but you're gonna learn a ton of cool new things with your ropes, okay? Today I'm gonna be sharing with you a really cool drill to kind of spice up your double unders, all right? Now remember, if you're new, don't know what we're talking about, get your ropes down below, hit the links. Got the most in-demand skipping ropes on the planet. Grab yourself a mat and also some really cool apparel. Today I'm padded up with the Fly Culture gilet. It's really cold, wet and miserable here in the UK, but it's coming clutch. Right, so we're gonna really spice up these double unders, right? This is kind of like an advanced tutorial, people, man. You're someone who's enjoying your skipping rope workouts. You've learned a ton of cool things. You might have even already tried this before, but here's your double under. And then we're just gonna hit it with a little straddle. It's a really cool move. And what we're trying to learn here, people, is timing, all right? Now, I've only got 2 minutes to share this with you, but when it comes to learning this, I want you to take your rope, put it on the floor for a second, and you know your double under, you've got your techniques for your double under, you know the timing is here, and all we're just gonna do is just start to move these legs back and forward. One key thing you wanna learn and remember is our balls of the feet, when they're here, touching the floor here, they're touching behind us as well. If one of the legs goes down, or one of the heels comes down, you're gonna find it hard to then bring them back off the floor. So we really wanna feel springy, bouncy, and feel like those heels never touch the floor. So once we're doing this, next thing is your posture. You don't want your posture to now start to fall in, which is like a common mistake when people try this move. They kind of go in because they're trying to force these legs to do this straddle movement. Nice, tall posture. If you need to kind of tilt a little bit just to get your hands moving quicker, that might help, but don't kind of keel over or fall over, and make sure that you can try and stay in the same position, because any kind of sideward movements here on this move, let me just demonstrate, any kind of, you see I just tried to do it and tripped up, any kind of sideward, I can't trip up on purpose, Nathan, how funny is that? All right, so if I move to the side, you're gonna trip, all right? So that's why it's really important when we're doing this, you focus on something in front of you, maybe your eyes, you focus on the rope in front of you, or focus on something on the floor. So then when you're coming to do it now, you kind of stay in the same spot. And we're just trying to keep that balance nice and central. So quick tutorial, 2 minutes. I don't know if I made it this time, bro. But if you're flying boss with us, big up. These are the last few videos in front of this iconic backdrop. We're moving HQs. And yeah, if you're following the journey, if you're supporting the journey, copping ropes, copping apparel, I want to say a big thank you. Means the world to me. And yeah, as always, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Join us, man. We're the hottest fitness community growing across the world. We're taking over cardio, skipping. Yeah, it's really legendary right now, man, with the way you guys are moving with your ropes. Keep going, keep flying strong. I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.